Mainit.
Kabilis naman. Yung ikot mo, doon. Daddy.
Mainit.
Kabilis naman. Yung ikot mo, doon. Daddy. Masyado kasi.
Be. Ah.
Hello. Look at this.
Go in.
Wow. Purple. May bee? Ayan. Yung maniniyot naming dala. Oh, ayan. Behind the scene. Cute naman. Oh. Next model. Dali! Ang ganda-ganda eh. Anak, wag yung ano.
I'm going in.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Wow. So this is yung purple section. Mamaya puntahan natin yung another color. Ito ang paborito ni Faye. Pero natakot siya kanina kasi may bee daw. Oh, ang lapad ah.
Let's see if I can survive without getting stung.
Faye, where are you?
Bee.
No, the bees will not, anak.
Hi. We're in a flower garden and I love purple, so I go here.
Yeah.
Purple. See? Purple flower.
Purple flowers. Huwag mo hipuin, my dear. There.
Here. Why are you here, Pepe?
Eat ice cream.
Eat ice cream.
Where's the ice cream?
Here. Do they have an ice cream? What do they have?
They have this one.
Yun, doon kami. Thai tea. Si ate? What do you have, ate?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. What kind of ice cream is that?
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. And Pepe?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. And for daddy?
Fruits.
Fruits.
Ayan, simple. Oh,
Yeah.
alam ko yung orange juice ang gusto.
May orange juice ako sa bahay. 10 lang yun. Parang mas gusto ko muna ito. Sarap nito, ha?
No, I mean that's it.
Just try it. Anak, the plastic. Give me.
I'm scared of my phone. But I love this purple coffee. A while ago, Daddy showed me.
Later na rin, malulubat with it. At home, we will transfer it smoothly.
Okay. Mommy, can I try to film a video? Mommy, remember we still need to kilot.
So, andito kami sa resting area ng garden. It's a big one. Ayan, dumami na ang tao. This is the best place. You can chill. The weather is so nice. Kaya, ayan. Ayan. Ate, what are you doing? Ayan. Motorcycle? Saan?
The yellow one. The one that got stuck into the car.
Ah, yeah. Later. Let's go.
A while ago, Daddy showed me.
Later na rin, malulubat with it. At home, we will transfer it smoothly.
Okay. Mommy, can I try to film a video? Mommy, remember we still need to kilot.
Magandang spot, mami. Ate.
Whee! Mommy, this is so fun. I can see totally everything. Mommy! Look!
Ang pumalit, palit naman kami ng trabaho. Siya naman ang maniniyot. At ako naman ang video. I-half shot mo po.
Look at this. Ang maniniyot at ang mga models.
Maniniyot. Gayon.
Maniniyot uli. At ang mga drivers. Daddy's the driver this time. Ayan. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Feifei, you're the passenger. Pai. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. May dugi pa. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Ate, take a photo nga.
Ate, take... Oh, ayun. So, maganda yung landscape nila kasi may ano talaga sila, may pathway for visitors.
Hey, here tayo.
Let's go! Faye!
Hey, Giant! Baby Giant, come here!
Baby.
Your father Giant is here! Your ate Giant!
And
my baby Giant. Let's go.
Baby.
Baby Monster!
What do you want? Baby monster or baby giant?
Careful here.
Opo.
Very weak.
Let's go, let's go!
I forgot where it is.
Recycled woods. Wow! Here comes the bridge.
Mami, careful daw.
Yes. There you go. Ito ang maganda, oh. So red. Wow.
Sit down.
How did you know what pose to take?
Just post. Daddy will take a photo.
How did that girl get the water thing?
Ate, post din ka doon. Sit down din.
I don't want to see.
Dragon's breath daw ito. Kaya ingat. Ingat sa dragon's breath. Baka mahingahan kayo ng dragon.
Oh, 1, 2, smile.
Suway ma.
Mga klay.
Nine dragon's breath.
Uy, dragon.
What does it say like, guys? It says chicken.
Hi, T-Rex. Yan.
Minmangkon.
Wait, wait, wait.
Hi!
Yun na pala. Yay! Drone, 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 drone!
Ikot, 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 ikot.
Nasaan na?
Ikot, 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 ikot. Ikot.
Meron, meron, meron.
Ouch.
You can see. Yun na, nandun na.
Ikot again. And hi! Hi!
You're here. See you next time.
See you next time!